Hello everybody, this is Ali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This week's video, it's about embroidery. So today I'm going to show you how I made an applique design using heat transfer vinyl or HTV. So I have made projects like this already, and I already have a video in my channel on how I used HTV or heat transfer vinyl for an applique design. And that one is a longer video. So if you want to watch that video, I will put the link down in the description. But the video that I'm going to show you today, it's a more condensed version of that other video of this process. So I'm just literally showing you real quick, step by step, how to use HTV or heat transfer vinyl on your applique designs. So you have the option to see this video and refer back to it as you are working on your projects because it's quicker. So, and I also added the timestamps so that way you can just jump directly to that section of the video if you want to make sure you don't miss a step. And believe me, it's easy to miss a step. I missed steps even during this video, but it still worked. So I wanted to show you, and I know that sometimes we don't have a lot of time and we want to see something fast and quick. So this will be the video for you. But if you want a little more details on how I used heat transfer vinyl and layered the heat transfer vinyl into like a more intricate design, then the longer video is for you. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. If at any point you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new here so that you can get notifications when I upload my next video. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching and enjoy today's tutorial.